POCO recently launched the POCO F6 smartphone in India. It is a mid-range phone that comes with a starting price of Rs. 29,900 and it is also the first smartphone in the country to be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8H Generation 3 processor. The POCO F6 will go on its first sale on May 29 via Flipkart. If you are planning to buy the device, here are the things you need to know. POCO F6 is offered in 3 different models: 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB. And these are priced at Rs. 29,999, 31,999 and Rs. 33,999. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz and a peak brightness of 2400 nits. The handset has a touch sampling rate of 240Hz and 2160Hz PWM dimming. The display comes with support for HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision and comes protected with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8H Generation 3 chipset built on the 4nm TSMC process node and includes the same ISP and on-device AI support. The smartphone 8H Generation 3 features the Adreno 735 GPU and it is paired with up to 12 of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The POCO F6 runs on Android 14 based Hyper OS out of the box. The company has promised 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates. POCO F6 is equipped with a dual camera setup on the back and it consists of a 50MP Sony IMX882 sensor with wide lens and OIS paired with an 8MP Sony IMX355 paired with an ultra-wide lens. For selfies, this smartphone has a 20MP camera on the front. The smartphone is backed up 5500 mAh battery and supports 90W fast charging. The company is shipping a 120W charger inside the box and the smartphone also features an 4800mm ultra-large ice loop cooling system. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.